Welcome to Auto World, your go-to channel for the latest in luxury and performance cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive Bentleys ever built, the 2025 Bentley Batur. This grand tourer is the ultimate blend of craftsmanship, power, and luxury, pushing the limits of Bentley's legendary performance. Are you ready to experience the pinnacle of grand touring? Let's find out what makes the Batur a true masterpiece. The 2025 Bentley Batur is a coach-built masterpiece from Bentley's Mulliner division. It takes inspiration from the Pinnacle, featuring a futuristic yet aggressive design. The iconic Bentley Matrix grille is now bolder, finished in a black chrome treatment. The sleek LED headlights and the muscular hood lines add to its commanding presence. The side profile is pure elegance and aerodynamics, with flowing lines that enhance its performance-oriented stance. The 22-inch forged wheels, available in unique finishes, complement the low and wide posture of the Batur. At the rear, the slim LED taillights follow a minimalist yet modern approach, while the quad exhaust system hints at the beastly power under the hood. Bentley has ensured that every detail of the Batur is crafted to perfection, making it one of the most stunning grand tourers ever built. Under the hood lies Bentley's most powerful W12 engine ever. The 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 delivers a staggering 740 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Batur can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest Bentleys ever built. Bentley has tuned the air suspension and all-wheel drive system to offer the perfect balance between comfort and performance. The rear-wheel steering enhances agility, making this two-door grand tourer feel incredibly light on its feet. Step inside, and you are welcomed into a world of bespoke luxury. Bentley offers unlimited customization, allowing owners to personalize every inch of their Batur. The dashboard is made of sustainable materials, including natural fiber composites and 3D printed gold accents. Yes, real 18K gold trim is available as an option. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system are seamlessly integrated, ensuring modern technology blends perfectly with classic luxury. The seats are hand-stitched, offering a perfect blend of comfort and support. Bentley also offers bespoke embroidery options, making each Batur truly unique. Bentley is producing only 18 units of the Batur, making it an ultra-exclusive collector's car. Each model is handcrafted by Mulliner, ensuring unparalleled attention to detail. But exclusivity comes at a price. The starting price for the 2025 Bentley Batur is a jaw-dropping $2.1 million. And with customizations, this price can go even higher. For those lucky enough to own one, the Batur isn't just a car, it's a work of art, a statement of ultimate luxury and performance. The 2025 Bentley Batur is a masterpiece on wheels, a blend of cutting-edge technology, handcrafted luxury, and breathtaking performance. With its powerful W12 engine, stunning design, and unparalleled exclusivity, it's truly one of the greatest grand tourers ever built. What do you think of the Batur? Is it the ultimate luxury GT? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world. This is Auto World, and we'll see you in the next video.